Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about how to use the Instagram Friends label DM feature. So let's get straight into the video. So keep in mind, you can't actually go ahead and label unless you have a business or creator account. So what you want to do is click on your profile on the bottom right, then click on the top right triple lines, and then you want to proceed by switching your account into a business account. So go all the way down to account type and tools, and then simply go ahead and switch to a professional account. I'm going to simply go ahead and do so just like that. Okay. Creator. And there you go. Now, what you need to do is go to your messages tab, select the person that you want to label. And once you've done that, there's going to be a little label tab on the top of your screen. This is actually a flag option. This is for creators. But if you're on a business tab, so let me just go ahead and show it to you one more time. So on a business account, as you can see on the top right, you can actually go ahead and simply go ahead and organize your chat with a label. You can simply go ahead and add any label right over here. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.